Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix stuttering or FPS drops. I'm going to give you the best tips that you can use to fix them, okay? Now, first of all guys, I'm inside of an empty lobby in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my settings, okay? I'm just going to ask to go to settings. Now, I want you to go to screening here, actually to graphics, excuse me. And in display mode, I want you to go full screen, okay? It's known that, the window or the borderless window is sometimes going to give you a lot of problems. So I'm just going to recommend that you go full screen instead of borderless window. Okay, keep that in mind, guys. Now, another thing that you can try to do, for example, is you can disable the vsync, as I have it in here, is completely disabled, okay? Now, you can try, for example, to modify the backend from rate cap and modify it to a certain, like 60 or 70 or something like that, okay? You can do the same with image frame rate cap. It's modified to your actual, screen refresh rate, and do not put it any higher than that. Okay, guys? So yeah, this is the best guys advice that I can actually give you, besides doing the obvious, of course, which is going to be turning down the graphics preset to maybe medium or low. But that's very obvious. And you can also use the super resolution mode and beat the DLSS if you have an NVIDIA card, and make sure that it's actually set to performance, okay? Never to quality. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.